myself Chef Ram Gopal and I am from Chitkara University. I am the professor of food productions here. I have been here in this industry from last 12 years. As you see, Cornetto by my side. Whenever we think about Cornetto, one thing comes up in the mind, the nachos. Cornetto not only produces nachos, but they produce very many different items with the different flavors. Like they produce the taco shells, even the tortilla wraps as well. If I talk about Cornettos, they are for the healthy people or health-loving people. They have also introduced some of the different flavors of nachos like beetroot, spinach, but even quinoa flavor. Today we are preparing Cornetto crusted chicken strips with salsa and sour cream. So let's start. Okay, let's start with the mixing of salsa. What we're gonna do is add onion in a bowl. Then we need tomatoes. These are finely chopped onions and tomatoes. Mix it up here. Little bit of cilantro into it. Cilantro, or we also call it coriander. Mix it up, and then I need 1 lemon into it. The lemon juice supposed to be according to your own preference. There are some people they like good amount of lemon. Some people they like a short amount of onion. Then I need bit of olive oil into it. Olive oil gives a glossy, shiny texture to salsa. You can also add jalapenos into it. For Indian people, Indian style, we can add green chilies into the salsa. I'm also adding little bit of tomato ketchup into it, or you can use tomato juice as well. I'm adding little bit of sugar into it. Sugar gives a sweety flavor to the salsa. You also require salt and pepper. Here you go. Pepper into it and the salt. Our salsa is ready. For Cornetto crusted chicken strips, firstly we need the strips of the chicken. Second thing, I need to prepare one marination for the chicken, and for the marination I am using ginger and garlic paste. Then I am using a little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, red chili powder, little bit of black pepper and salt for the taste. And then I'm going to mix all these ingredients together just to prepare the marination for the chicken. So Cornetto crusted chicken strips, the key ingredient is Cornetto nachos. For it, what I will do is I will put the nachos into a grinder, and then I will crumb it down on the chicken for the further preparation. Okay, our crumbs are ready. We need 2 more ingredients. The flour, you can use corn flour as well, and the egg batter. So let's start with the first strip. You dip it in the flour, then dip it in the egg. Just make sure you remove all the extra egg from it and put it in the crumbs. Now from the another hand, you need to crumb it down slowly. So strip is ready, and I am arranging it here in the baking tray. My chicken strips are ready, which is mounted with nachos crumb. I need to bake it down for 10 minutes, 220 degrees. So let's go, we will bake it down. The chicken is ready. Let's start with the plating. The plating is ready. Just recap the recipe what we have done today. We have prepared cornetto crusted chicken strips with salsa and sour cream. I haven't tell you about the sour cream in the beginning of the recipe. Sour cream is readily available in the market. You can just buy it down. What I have done is I've just chopped some of the herbs and put it down into the sour cream. Little bit of seasoning if you want, you can add into it. And the salsa, I have already told you the recipe of the salsa. And these two are the accompaniments with the dish. I have used little bit of lettuce if you want to add, and little bit of chips already. So it's one of the very healthy recipe, baked, gluten free, and very healthy and delicious as well. If I talk about the recipe, what we have done is we have marinated the chicken first. In the beginning we have cut the strips of the chicken, then we have prepared the marination. Marination is prepared with ginger and garlic paste, then a little bit of seasoning like salt and pepper, paprika powder. If you want to add, you can add paprika powder into it. Then mix it up properly and then marinate the chicken into it. I have used little bit of lemon juice and olive oil as well. Mix that marination and then you mix the chicken into the marination. Keep aside for approximately 30 minutes, and when it is ready, I have used the crumbs of cornetto nachos and I have used the sweet chili flavored nachos, right? I have wrapped down the chicken into it and bake it there for 10 minutes in the oven, 220 degrees, right? And as you see, it's very crispy, delicious and mouth-watering recipe. I hope you people love the recipe. You will try it at home and obviously tell me the comments how you like the recipe. Till the time, stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking. Namaskar.